Hey Mastin, this one is for you. This is a great routine that you can do for weight loss, to get everything going in your body. It's great if you just want to get your sweat on, get everything moving nice and active here. Go ahead and breathe your arms all the way out and up. And as you exhale, fold all the way over your legs, rounding here, letting any tension go out of your head. Inhale up to a flat back. Exhale, round all the way in. Again, inhale up to a flat back, nice and long. As you exhale, plant your palms, walk yourself all the way back to a pose. Nice strong stomachs here, using only what you need, resting everything you don't. Nice strong bellies, reaching out to the backs of your legs and your heels, lengthening out to the top of your head. Start to rock forward and back here. This is just starting to get into the wrists. Make sure everything is nice and warmed up properly. A lot of these poses are on your wrists, so you want to make sure they're nice and protected here. And go ahead and press down with your left hand. You're just going to move over to a side plank, gently looking all the way up to your top hand. Really easy through your collarbones. Nice long deep breaths. And gently bring yourself all the way back to the middle. Just roll it to the other side, pressing down with your right hand, hips nice and high. You can keep your feet where they are. You can also stack them on top of each other. Gently looking up to that hand again, breathing here. And carefully bring yourself all the way back to your plank pose, lifting the backs of your legs up, everything super strong. Again, if you want to do that rocking forward and back, getting your shoulders over your wrists, back into your heels. This also opens up the feet and the Achilles, warming everything up. And on your next rock back, go ahead and bring yourself all the way back to your downward dog. And go ahead and breathe your right leg all the way up and back here. Nice and easy. Lengthen it all the way up to the ceiling. And just squaring off your hips again, pointing that back foot down. See if you can lift the leg up here and just bring your knee into your forehead nice and high. We're just going to press it all the way back and repeat that a few times. Bring your knee into your forehead nice and high, lifting up in your hips and belly. Bring it all the way back. And again, lift your knee into your forehead nice and high. And bring it all the way back into the same thing, but off to the side. So bring your knee all the way up to the outside of your right shoulder and all the way up and back. And again, we're going to cross it over, so bring your knee to the back of your left upper arm and all the way back. This is great for your stomach, your whole body here. It teaches you how to move nice and light. Bring your knee into your forehead and just gently place your foot right between your hands, coming into your low lunge. Breathing into any tight areas here. Nice long, deep breaths. Go ahead and ease your back knee down. Start to bring your fingertips right under your shoulders, dropping your shoulders down your back, being easy through your collarbones. Press your fingertips down, gently stretch both legs all the way straight, relaxing over that front leg, breathing easy. Go ahead and rebend back to your lunge. Just going to bring yourself up to a high lunge, bring your shoulders right over your hips, and breathing here, opening your collarbones. Reach your arms all the way out and up, nice and easy through your ribs. And inhale the front leg all the way straight. This teaches balance and stability, working all those muscle groups. Inhale straight. Breathe out right back down, right from your hips, just like an elevator, all the way up and all the way down. This time, open your body toward your front leg, twisting all the way around, and bring it back to your high lunge. And again, breathe out, twisting all the way around, and inhale back to your high lunge, lifting it right from your hips. Again, breathe out, twist all the way around. Each time you twist, twist a little further, and all the way back. Wobbling is fine, it happens. Back to your high lunge, and go ahead and press your fingertips down to the ground. Gently breathing here. We're going to do a few switches. So just going to jump and switch the legs. Try to make this as light as you can. You're just going to do 10 of these. Try not to make a big crashing sound as you go. And finish with the right leg forward after you've done your 10. Go ahead and stretch both legs all the way straight, letting your torso relax over your leg. Breathe it right back to your nice low lunge. Press down, lift back to your downward dog here. Breathing easy. And go ahead and breathe your left leg all the way out and up. Just open the hips for a breath. Press that right whole foot into the ground. And go ahead and lift your knee into your forehead and all the way back. And again, in and up right from your belly, all the way up, just like somebody's pulling the back of your shirt up, and back to your downward dog split. And last time, all the way in and up, hips high, belly high, lifted, back to your downward dog split. And we'll just take it over to the side, so bring your knee all the way up to the left shoulder and all the way back. And we'll go across. This is great for toning, shaping, strengthening, lengthening your whole body all the way back. Again, all the way forward, this time gently placing your foot right between your hands, breathing here. Go ahead and ease your back knee down, bring your fingertips right under your shoulders, fix your shorts if you need to, take a few breaths here, dropping your shoulders down your back. And go ahead and plant your fingertips down, tuck your back toes, stretch both legs straight, falling over that front leg, nice easy breaths. And go ahead and rebend back to your low lunge. You're going to come up to your high lunge again. So the trick with this balance is putting some weight into that back leg. And if you feel like you're on a tightrope, you can scoot your front foot over to the left a little bit so your legs are under your hips. And inhale the front leg all the way straight. Breathe out and bend it right back down. Nice and stable. Inhale straight. Breathe out right back down. Again, inhale straight. Last one. Breathe out back down and twist over to the left, pressing the air away with those arms, and bring it all the way up. Try to move from your belly all the way around as you twist around, breathing out all the way open and all the way up. And last one, all the way open, twisting even more, and all the way up, lifting up. And go ahead and rebend, plant those fingertips down. Again, we're going to prepare for some fun jumping here. So just lifting up right from your hips, 10 of these, switching, 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 using this fun, building lots of heat in the body, using the least amount of effort to do these here. Left foot ends up forward after you've done your 10, stretching all the way over that front leg, releasing tension on every exhale. Rebend all the way back, press your palms down, lift the foot all the way up and back, open it up if you like, and just bring it back to your downward dog, breathing here. Hopefully now you're nice and warm. Go ahead and bend your elbows, lower your forearms down to the ground. This is very simple, very tricky to do with a nice long deep breath. So just staying here, try to normalize your body and your mind with your breath. So even if this position is tricky and maybe even frustrating, try to take nice long deep breaths and it will be over soon. It's just a very small part of your life here, and your body will be strong and your mind will be sharper when you're finished. And go ahead and reach your feet all the way back. You're going to be in a plank pose, but on your forearms here. This is great for your stomach, your legs. These positions tone and shape your entire body into the position that your body is meant to be, into the shape that your body is meant to be. If you want to lift a foot up off the ground, you can try that. Each side, just an inch. This is a little extra bonus here. You don't have to do that one if you don't want to. You can go at your own pace. Walk it all the way back up to your downward dog on your forearms. Try to straighten both arms at the same time. One at a time is okay too. You can always work toward building more strength here. Gently walk your feet all the way up to your hands, folding over your legs. And you're carefully going to roll yourself all the way up to stand. Standing nice and easy. Breathe all the way out and up, lengthening through your ribs, lifting through your collarbones. Press your palms sailor right in front of your chest. Take a few breaths here. Thank you for doing this lovely yoga routine for your body and mind today. And I hope you have a really great day with really healthy choices. See ya.